Guys, what's good? It's your girl Choreo here, and in this here video I'm speaking to you a little bit more about my sensuality, my ultra sensuality dance series. Now there's going to be 3 workshops. Each workshop is 2 hours long. Now each workshop is going to be a repetition of the last one. Obviously, it's going to be a different time, a different place, so they won't be absolutely identical, but the concept and the takeaway points will be the same. If you wish to go to all 3, you can. If you register for number 1, which is July 9th, that's this coming Saturday at the First Dance Studios in Montegobay. It's going to be 5 to 7 p.m. Actually, all classes are going to be 5 to 7 p.m. all the Saturdays, both in Ocho, Rios, in Kingston as well. All of them will start 5 to 7 p.m. on Saturday. Okay, now as I was saying, I told you my big one is going to be at First Dance Studios. The second one is going to be at Rio Blanco apartment complex by the gym. So the weapons of fitness gym at Rio Blanco. It's on the same complex as the Rio Blanco apartments. It's very easy to find. I'm also going to be dropping the exact address below. It's going to be on the 16th of July. So not this Saturday. This Saturday is Mobe. Next Saturday is Ocho Rios. And the final one, the grand finale, is going to be in Kingston at the YahSuh FitBox studio. It's a gym and a dance studio there as well. All right, it's on the same complex as the Barbican Beach. That address is going to be dropped in the caption below, so please pay attention to that. The next thing is the one in Kingston is going to be July 23rd, so that's the last Saturday. So July 9th this weekend in Mobe, July 16th in Rio Blanco or at Rio Blanco, July 23rd in Kingston at YahSuh FitBox. Now let me tell you a little bit about these classes, because I don't want anybody to come there expecting something and you don't know what I'm going to be doing. It's an ultra sensuality dance class, which means that you are going to be invited by myself as your facilitator to tap into your feminine energy, to tap into that beauty about you that makes you a female, that inviting nature that is so missing in this world. Both men, both women are just embracing masculine energy, and that's okay, because masculine energy has been associated with, you know, things like achievement, goal getting. But when it comes down to feminine energy, it's a lot more subtle, a lot calmer, a lot sweeter, a lot more inviting, a lot more sensual, right? And so both men and women can tap into this, but this class is strictly for women who are looking to become empowered through the art of dancing to be more sensual, more sexy. So it is not a soca dance class. It's not a dancehall dance class. Whatever music that I give you that is moving us within that moment, it could be some drumming, it could be some saxophone, yes girl, it could be that. That is the music that we're going to be using. I am not advertising this as a soca or a dancehall class. It's none of them, right? It's just sensuality. It's going to start with breathing exercises, and as a physical therapist, these are some of the things that I do every single day, and I want to share these skills with you. There are things that you can take and just, you know, utilize in your everyday life. So breathing exercises, tapping exercises, acupuncture pressure activities as well. So we're not going to be doing acupuncture. There's not going to be any needling. Don't worry about that. But just different things like tapping on the center chest, tapping on the temples, different things that help you to relax and just really tap into, you know, your goodness, your flow, to get into a more sensual vibe. And then we're going to go into the different dance moves like reverse whining on the floor, tick-tocking like a bad clap girl on the floor, whining on the ground, whining going down low, and everything will have a modification. So don't think that I'm going to be asking you to go down on the floor and dance exactly like myself, who has been dancing for over 15 years. I've been dancing for over 15 years. I've been doing physical therapy as well, not as long as 15 years, but I do have a great understanding of the body, and because of that, I've been able to push myself, exercise myself, train myself to the point where I'm able to do the dances that you see online. And this has taken several years. What we're doing in the class is unearthing your sensuality through dancing. So you're not necessarily going to come out learning how to go down and stay down there, and that's virtually impossible within 2 hours. But I'll be giving you drills, teaching you skills that you can take away, go home, mash them up, practice, train with them, and you'll be good. right? But the next thing that I want you to take away is just a sense of confidence, feeling empowered, feeling sensuous, and feeling like you can just take on anything. You know what I mean? There's also some ladies who have been asking me if is a class to be teaching you how to seduce a man. All right. I'm not gonna deny that the fact that, you know, my dancing has seduced men in the past. I'm not gonna lie. If I want a guy to get into my DMs, I'll just, you know, post one of my videos. If I like a guy, make sure I post a video that I know he like. It has worked for me, but the class is not focused on that. But I mean, if you want to take that as one of your takeaways, okay, sure, you can probably use these skills to seduce a man, seduce a woman. That's your thing, but it's not the focus of the class. I want you to get out of your head that you're coming to the class to learn this. That's not it. And if that's what you're coming to do, girl, I can't stop you, but it's a lot more deeper than just that. It's something that I want you to learn for life. You understand? So tap into your energy, your feminine energy. It's okay to be woman. It's okay to be female. It's okay to be sensual. All right? So that's what the classes are about. If you have any questions, do not look at the poster and assume. I'm not teaching anybody bike riding. I'm not teaching anybody soca. That's not it. Okay? It's sensual, sexy, flow. We're doing floor patterns on the ground as well. You're gonna leave with a routine that takes you from standing to getting on the floor and just enjoying yourself. I really can't wait to see you guys. July 9th in Montegobay at First Dance Studios. July 16th at YahSuh, at Rio Blanco apartment in Ocho. July 23rd at the YahSuh FitBox in Kingston. Okay, and there's gonna be virtual and physical options. This is the first time I'm doing anything like this. This is a mini island tour. I'm looking for you guys to come out wherever you are. Come out and just have fun. It's gonna be closed. There's not gonna be any recording. There's not gonna be any men. I don't care if the man them want to come proclaim, say, oh, me a drag queen. You're not coming in, baby. No, once you identify as male, you're not coming inside. And I'm not discriminating, I'm just protecting my ladies. We're not recording anybody. The only recording that may happen is me. Just me, myself, and I. And you guys go off to the far corner where nobody can see you. The only recording that may happen is at the end of the class. If you decide you want to stay back a little bit and record yourself, that's on you. All right, and that's none of my business. I have no responsibility over that at all. When studio lock, you know. So okay, so that's another thing. If you're coming to the virtual option, or if you've chosen the virtual option, your window, your camera will have to be open. We're not hiding anything. Once you're in that space, it's a kept space. It's a secret space. What happens within does not leave unless you decide that you want to record yourself. And in recording yourself, nobody else is being seen, nobody's behind you, nobody's to the side, you're doing your thing, then fine. But it's a private space. The only thing that's going to be posted to social media is me, myself, and I, unless you have decided you want to do it as well, right? Everything is pretty strict, no recordings, all right? If you have any questions, drop a comment below, and I will answer them as soon as I can. All right, y'all know a girl works in the daytime, so I'll answer your questions. So Saturday coming, Mobe, let's go.